Hi, welcome to Deel. We're happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Denmark. Therefore, we will be going through some country-specific information such as compliance documents, CPR number, benefits, health and safety training, holiday and leave policies, and FAQ. Compliance documents. There are some documents that we need to have to be able to fully onboard you in Denmark. We will need for you to upload your ID, such as passport or national ID card. If you're not a Danish citizen, we will need to have your passport, national ID card, or your work permit front and back to be able to review and approve. It is only optional to add your tax card since we retrieve them straight from Skat. But please make sure that you have contacted Skat if you're a foreigner working in Denmark for the first time. You will otherwise be taxed at a higher rate. To be able to fully complete your onboarding, please make sure to add your local bank details. It is important that we have your Danish personal number, CPR, when you're onboarded. This is for us to be able to have you in the payroll and to list you with mandatory benefits such as pension and social security. If you don't have it yet, you will need to register with the Danish civil registration system to obtain it before we can onboard you. Unfortunately, if you don't have your CPR number, we will not be able to fully onboard you until you received it and have added it on platform. Benefits. When you work in Denmark, you will qualify for work-based benefits through your social security. Employees in Denmark are covered by employment-based insurance from the first day of your employment. You are insured with the following benefits: public health insurance, retirement pension and labor market supplementary pension (ATP), workers' compensation insurance, the salary guarantee fund, occupational injury insurance, holiday allowance, sickness benefit, parental benefit, and other leave benefits. Health and safety. Within the first week of your onboarding, you will be sent a link to your email address to sign up and begin your health and safety training. Please make sure to complete it within a month. The training will cover the necessary topics to ensure your safety while working at Deel. It is good to know that the training is mandatory and is required to renew on a yearly basis. Holiday and leave. When you are planning on taking any leave, please add the leave on platform ahead of time or reach out to us at Deel if assistance is needed. If you're on sickness leave, please make sure to add this on the platform as soon as possible, and if you're being sick for more than 3 business days, you will need to upload a doctor's sick note on platform when requesting the leave. Leave policies and employee FAQ. You can find more information about the leave policies under Help and Feedback, clicking on Employee FAQ, and then on Time Off and Other Leaves. Under the Employee FAQ, you can also find other information that could be valuable for you during your onboarding and employment with Deel. Thank you for taking time to learn more about your onboarding and the specifics for Denmark. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey. Thank you. Tack.